In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a feature preview in your GitHub account. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure that you can easily manage your GitHub settings. This change might be relevant to you if you're managing an organization or just exploring new features and need to revert back to a previous setting. First, let's head over to your GitHub dashboard. This is the landing page once you log into your GitHub account, where you can access all your repositories, projects, and other settings. If you're not already on this page, go ahead and log in to bring it up. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon right there. This icon typically looks like a small circular image, or perhaps your default avatar if you haven't uploaded a picture yet. Click on this profile icon and it will open up a drop-down menu. This menu gives you a variety of options, but we're focusing on locating the feature preview today. In the drop-down menu, find the option labeled Feature Preview. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the settings related to new and experimental features that GitHub is rolling out. It's a place where you can try out the latest functions before they are potentially integrated into the platform-wide scale. However, sometimes you may decide a certain feature preview isn't necessary for your work or you simply want it disabled. Once you've clicked into Feature Preview, pay close attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you will see a menu with different sections you can navigate through. Ensure that you are under Organization Custom Instructions. This section specifically manages how new features interact with your organizational setup on GitHub. In case you're not already there, just click on it to access these settings. Now that you're in the right section, take a look at the top right area of the screen. You should see a button labeled Disable. This button functions as a toggle for the feature preview setting you're currently reviewing. Go ahead and click Disable. This action effectively turns off the feature preview for your organization, reverting things back to the way they were before it was enabled. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully navigated GitHub's settings to disable a specific feature preview. This can be especially useful if you want to maintain stability and predictability in your organization's repository management. Remember, GitHub constantly updates its interface, so these menus might look slightly different in the future. Keeping up with these changes ensures that you can always use GitHub effectively and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance with your GitHub.